Guys, so I'm just ready to go out for dinner now, and yeah, so I had my shower, I straightened my hair also, and this is the outfit I'm wearing. Just this black dress and my cardigan, and I'm gonna be wearing my Converse. Okay, so I'll probably speak to you tomorrow when we go on the tour. So today we're going on a little hiking tour just to see what it's like here in Tenerife. They're going to take us to different places, explain everything. So it's like a little mini tour guide. And we're literally about to go now. After that, I'll probably get some sunbathing done. Tomorrow I think we're gonna go shopping or look around Las Americas, and we're also having a meal that day out in the restaurant at the hotel. Hey guys, so this is the dress I'm wearing for the meal tonight, and yeah, I'm sorry, I don't even know what I'm doing, but yeah. So again, we're going out for a meal. I'm not sure what we're doing afterwards, if we are going to be doing anything. And then tomorrow's our big meal, so I got my favourite dress to wear. And yeah. So tomorrow, shopping, and then a meal. Enjoy the vlog whilst it lasts, I guess. Go in here, there's more light.